Hi Clue Beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chidema aka Clue. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's tutorial. Today we're going to be doing a makeup series on how to fill in your mannequin. Yeah, I know some of us might have a mannequin that has foldings and is broken probably when they were doing delivery for you. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can fix that mannequin without using any XPX or wax. So after this short break, I'm going to be teaching you guys everything in the whole video, so please stay tuned and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Welcome back, guys. So like I said, today's tutorial is going to be a makeup series. We're going to be doing another makeup episode, but what I'm going to be doing for you guys, like the title says, is how to fill up your mannequin, your broken mannequin, and make it look new again. So I don't know if any of you could notice the puncture on the nose of this mannequin right here. Yes, that puncture is what we're going to fix today, and I'll be doing that without the use of any SPX or a wax. I'm going to do it in a very natural and home friendly way. You know, the equipment you're going to be using is something you can find in your home. You don't really need to travel far and near to get them. Okay, so like you guys can see, the first thing we're going to do on this before we start the tutorial is we're going to clean up your mannequin. Okay, we're going to just go ahead and clean up the mannequin. Once you do that, because you don't want to work on a dirty surface, I would like to work on a clear surface, so I'm going to just go ahead and clean my mannequin up. Then the next thing is we're going to find out the areas that has the injury, you know, the areas that are affected, and from all indication the nose is very much affected now. So that's the place where the folding in. I'm going to go ahead and fix that up. But before we start, I'm going to show you guys the equipment we're going to use for today's tutorial. Okay, so the first thing is our wipes, which I've actually used to clean the mannequin. The next is the tissue paper. So the tissue paper is actually the main ingredient in this particular stuff. Okay, then you need your scissors to be able to cut it all out, you know. Then you're going to use your filer, you know, this is a normal nail filer. Then you will be needing this adhesive, you know, it's called adhesive actually, but it's a glue. Okay, so what I'm going to do basically here is I'm just going to go ahead and tear out the tissue paper just very little. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and tear the tissue paper very little, piece by piece, you know, and just fill it in using the adhesive. I know if you watch very closely, you're going to understand and get everything about this video. It's very simple and self-explanatory. Okay, so what I'm just going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just get little piece of the paper, just piece by piece. I'm going to just be filling it all up using the adhesive and everything. So this adhesive actually dries up very fast, so make sure that it doesn't touch your hands, because once it does, it's actually going to get glued to the mannequin. Okay, then you also need to have a clean hand so you don't dirty your mannequin. So I'm actually going to suggest for this particular tutorial, if you have anything close to what I'm doing right here you want to do at home, you should go ahead and get a tissue paper close to the color of the mannequin you're working with. Okay, because right now as I was actually filling this up, I remembered I could have used a more colored tissue paper. You know, I have this carton color tissue paper. I would have used that particular color because it would have actually, you know, done the trick for me and actually helped me make all the work very easier. Okay, because I was now kind of thinking I'm going to use my concealer. It's going to waste my concealer and the rest of it, but just that's just it. That's just it. So at the moment, I think I'm actually getting close to what I need. So I'm going to use my scissors to trim off some excesses. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and get my file. I'm going to get my file and use it to file it all up. But before that, I want to smoothen up the edge because it was a little bit rounded. I don't think there's any nose of a mannequin that is that rounded. So I just wanted it to look closely to a mannequin's nose. Okay, so that's what I'm doing basically at the moment. So if you watch, and I'm sure you can get everything, like I don't even need to talk. Okay, so that's just basically what I'm doing, just to make sure that everything is right in place. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and take my nail file, just a normal nail file. Or if you have something a lot more smooth, or something that will make the work easier for you, a file that is going to make it smooth and beautiful for you, just go ahead and use that. All you need is just to smoothen off, and something that will help you to shape it properly. Okay, this file just helps to shape everything all in. So at this moment, at this point, our work is done, and we're going to go ahead and take our foundation. I'm using Classic HD concealer foundation, 24 hours foundation, and using Avo is a waterproof foundation. It's also is 48 hours foundation. So what you need for your mannequin makeup is actually something that lasts long. Okay, something that is going to dry up and is waterproof. So actually, guys, I'm going to still do a video showing you guys everything because I couldn't get everything. I was feeling a little bit down. I was sick, so I couldn't really video everything. This is not the fault of my camera. This is my own fault. I couldn't video it. I did that part and I was so down. I had to go get some rest. Then this is the finished look. The other one was it in the dark, and this is it under the sun. It looks so charming. I mean, it's really, really nice. I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to do a tutorial for you guys how to make mannequin makeup. Very simple, very easy. Okay, so until next time, I'll be seeing you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.